Set custom alerts to identify problems. If you are responsible for delivering a high-performing network, you'll want to configure alerts to notify you when problems exist. With Domotz, you can create device and network-specific alerting that integrates directly into your existing workflows. Let's take a look. Define service-level objectives. Before setting up alerting, take time to define what truly matters for you and your network's performance. A little work up front helps you avoid over-configuring alerts and prevents alert fatigue. For this walkthrough, I'll show you how to configure alerts for both device and key network events. Select Alert Settings to get started. Send alerts to the best channels for your team. Prior to setting up alerts, you'll also want to ensure your preferred contact channels are configured. Domotz integrates with all major ticketing systems, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and more. Introducing Shared Alerts. Shared Alerts allows you to define events your team will receive notifications about and how notifications will be received. Select Create a Shared Alert. From this screen, you'll configure your shared alert by naming it, selecting which contact channels to send alerts to, and what events you want to alert on. Device Alerts events can be configured for any of the following: device status change, online, offline, or heartbeat, IP changes, switch, firewall, or Wi-Fi access point configuration changes and misalignment. Any type of device sensor, SNMP, secure shell, Windows management, and custom sensors. For this example, I have created a shared alert for when a device has a configuration change or misalignment. Let's create another shared alert for key network events. For this shared alert, I've selected the following network events I want to receive alerts for. Create the shared alert. Apply alerts via the inventory page. Select Inventory. I've created and applied a filter to surface all routers, switches, firewalls, and access points. Click the box to select all devices that match my filter. Once selected, I can apply the shared alert by selecting the pencil icon. Select Configuration Events to apply the shared alert. To apply the network events shared alert we created earlier, select Collectors. Select the collector you wish to apply the shared alert to. Click the pencil icon. Select Network Events to apply the shared alert. Apply alerts via Profiles. Select Profiles. Click here to create a new profile. Name your profile and select Create. Select Shared Alerts. Add Shared Alert. Select Configuration Events. Use Apply Profile to choose which devices the profile should apply to. When applying the profile, you can choose a static list of devices or dynamically apply the profile by applying it via a saved filter. It is important to note that applied profiles will overwrite or add properties and configurations of the selected devices. Apply alerts to individual devices and networks. Select the collector. Select Alerts from the menu and add Shared Alerts to your network. Select the Network Events Shared Alert. You can configure the thresholds for the speed test from this page. To apply alerts to individual devices, select Devices. Select the device you want to apply the alerts to. Select Alerts. From this view, I can apply or remove shared alerts. Set alerts via monitoring dashboards. This can be especially useful if you are trying to apply bulk alerts for SNMP metrics. You can configure alerts for any column in a monitoring dashboard table, and they will apply to all rows in that table. For this example, I want to create an alert when a site has high latency. Select the bell icon to configure the alert. Selecting the bell icon opens the Alert Configuration modal, where you can name the alert, specify the alert criteria, and select the contact channel. You can also configure and apply bulk alerts for SNMP metrics via monitoring dashboards. Select the SNMP dashboard to check it out. I want to receive an alert when the ink supply is low for my printer. Select the bell icon. Name the alert configuration, Define the criteria and select the contact channel. Apply the alert configuration. Note: applying alerts via monitoring dashboards will apply the alert to each row within the table. Receive alerts for what matters to you. Don't wait for someone to tell you there is an issue. Domotz can send you alerts to identify you of performance issues before it escalates.